What the hell? Wala naman yata to kanina eh. Yeah, hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman ako saan tayo maglalaro ng isang horror game ngayon. At yes, kakabalik ko lang. Pero ngayon maglalaro tayo ng isang game na pinamagkataan na Wrong Floor. At ngayon ay simulan agad natin itong video na to dahil I'm so excited to go back or balikan kung ano yung pinaka-kinahiligan ko gawin dito sa YouTube. So, simulan agad natin itong video na to. Let's go na. Alright, so nagsimula na lang tayo agad out of nowhere. Oy, we got a damn body. We are so sexy, man. You know? We are so sexy. Better is the elevator. Okay, sure. Hop! Hop ya. Hop! Baka may biglang sumulpot. Sa. I'm not liking that damn sound, you know? I'm not liking that one. So, you just better shut up and let me do my job, okay? No! Hi, hello. Is there someone in here? Wala? Okay, very good. Very nice! Let's go. Ano ba kailangan pindutin yun? Hindi ko alam. I think ito yung pinindut ko eh. Yeah, I think this one. This works maybe? I never know. Diba dapat ground floor? Okay, so we are on the first floor. Pero paano ako akit yan? I can't jump. I can run, but I can't jump. Ooh! Fun! Can I go back? It won't let me go back. So what's gonna happen to me now? Oh, damn! Ang dilim. Wala akong makita. We have some door dito kasi ayun, naririnig ko yung door, oh. We can move this around. Okay, sure. Can I turn this way? This way? Okay, sure. So we have cabinet dito. I don't know how to interrupt that one, but I guess I'm just gonna, left click. Ay, right, ano pala tawag dito? Right click tuloy, left click, tama. Yeah, since wala naman yata dun, so gotta move this one a little bit. Ito may door, oh. May pinto dito, oh. Wala, nakalock eh. Anong gagawin ko dyan? You want me to go in this way or something? Wait, I'm seeing something dito. Oh, Koya, hello. Woo, wait lang, lalakas ako ng brightness ko. Hindi to kaya ng lang, simpleng brightness lang. But hey, Koya, you look so handsome, you know, and you look so sexy as well, you know. So, what am I supposed to do right now? There, may konting light dun, pero dahan-dahan lang. Kasi bakit may light dito at the very first place? Ooh. No. No. No way. No way I'm not gonna go in there. Unless kung talagang kailangan ko gawin. Yeah, wala naman akong pagpipilian, di ba? Sige, go na. Wala lang. Ay, we got a light dito. We have a damn light. Can I take that one? Ooh, fun, new. Hello, hi. Hello? What is this? What the hell? Wala naman yata ito kanina. Uuwi na ang ina mo! I don't know what the heck did I just see. I don't even think I can continue playing this game. Kailangan ko ba tapusin to? Oh my. Oh, fun this life. Ayoko na po. I hate my damn life. Okay, seems like wala na siya. Lock din yun. Lagi naman. Pati puso niya nakalock. Hello? Tao po. Hello? Hi? What's up? What's up, madlang people? Lock pa din. Are we gonna go in here or something? Yeah, I better not run kasi can be broken with a crowbar. Crowbar! Who the hell are you? No. Attention, extremely dangerous maniac. Maniac pa na to eh! Height 2.5 meters, age 30 years, cuts all over the body. Yeah, I just saw him. Homeless may hide in abandoned buildings or basement. The police asked for assistance in disseminating information about a particularly dangerous offender. Ooh, fun. This live. Like, what the heck is this? May mga sigarilyo po. Angas. Now, what the heck I can, ano dito? Is there an L? Ha? L. Charot lang. Okay, corny. Sige, ayoko na. Sige na, laro na tayo ulit. Tama na. Oo. Binuksan niya na yung pinto dito, di ba? He just did. Wow. Yeah, can I just go back right now? Need to turn on the Dem generator. Seryoso ka? Seryoso? Walang biruan to? Wala na bawian? Pero saan yung elevator? I think yung elevator tuloy. What the heck? Yung generator, I think nandun siya sa may, tawag dito. Doon sa may crowbar shems. Yeah, nakalock na I just wanna quit, okay? I just wanna quit, pero I need to freaking finish this game, even though I don't want to. Ayoko na. Cuts all over the body. Yeah, confirm. This is the maniac. Well, I don't know what are you doing here. Yo, kuya! Kuya! You're so handsome, you know? Kaya sabi ko nga, I'm just gonna walk by and I'm just gonna mind my own business, kuya, you know? I'm just gonna mind my own business. Yun na lang talaga. Now, what the heck is this? The code behind the red cabinet. Behind the red damn cabinet. Are we being damn serious right now? Oh my goodness. Buti wala siya. Buti na lang. Silent treatment na naman. Oh my shit. Tembulag. Silent treatment. Yeah, wala na siya ngayon. This is just I'm just gonna go to the cabinet, di ba? Cabinet. What the heck is this? Hoy, puki ng ina mo, isa pa, sasampalin na kita, isa pa, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Potek na yan. Tayo na yung jumpscare niya talagang no? Silent treatment lang gagawin ko lang Wala na, tapos gano'n na lang. Yeah, power, hotdog. Walang code dun, so, asang red cabinet ba yung tinutukoy? I don't damn know, you know? Wow, kuya, nakahilata ka na ngayon. Sarap buhay Ay, sarap patay pala, I mean. Ewan ko, bahala na, basta yun na yun. Yeah, it's still damn luck, you know? Lagi naman What am I supposed to do right now? Like, ano nang dapat kong gawin? Red cabinet to, di ba? O, red cabinet, wala din. Potek na yun, Saan ako ngayon pupunta? Red cabinet, Puro na tayo red cabinet dito, wala. Ayun. 0661, okay. 0661, yeah. 00661, nye. Basta ganun. 0661. Ay, mayroon nga damn footstep. 0661. Basta 0661. Yun lang po ako sa atin. Okay, 0661. Yeah, baka mawala pa sa isip ko to. Mahirap na. Kailangan natin bumalik. I need to go back. 0661. Don't worry guys. I-enhance ko naman to para may makita kayo. Kasi ako nabubulag na ako sa larong to. 0661. Oh, ano? Papalag hindi. Huwag ka nang pumalag. Oo. Naglalag pa ako. Hayop. Hanep. Sige. Yeah. Tol. Wait lang. 0661. Ayaw. Wait. Alam ko na. Baliktad pala yun. Wait lang. Hindi. It should be 0, 9. Wait lang. Where the heck is the 9? 9 tama ba? 9, 7, 8, 9. And then 1. Oh, shit. Oh, crowbar. Okay. Now we're onto something, you know. Now it's them open. Bukas na ngayon. Yeah, should I enter this room? Kasi It's giving me a damn trigger. That's a wrong trigger kasi I just want to escape, you know? I don't want to repeat this game over and over again. I just want to finish my job dito. Like, my only damn job is to, like, turn on the damn crowbar or something. Crowbar? Turn on the damn, generator. Turn that on, and I think I'm done. Yeah, ayun, medyo wala na akong lag. Ayos na. Puki ng ina mo. What the hell are you doing there? Ngayon naman tumayo ka na sa harapan ko. Talaga ba? Talaga ba, kuya? Ha? Ano, nagagaguhan ba tayo dito or something? Okay, sure, let me just enter my damn elevator. Yeah, corrupted na siya kasi corrupt siyang tao. Corrupt, takbo. Yes! Okay, so that's pretty much everything, guys. Ngayon ay yes, natapos na natin ang wrong floor. Comment kayo down below kung ano gusto niyo palaro sa akin kasi actually last time na-chinek ko yung Granny, meron siyang bagong update. So we're gonna go back kay Granny ulit at meron akong dalawang special na Granny vid na iaali sa inyo sa Christmas sa Halloween, okay? So abangan niyo lang yung video na yun, okay? So for now, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo dahil ako nag-enjoy ako na sobra at hopefully ay kayo din. Sila, maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to. Alright tayo dyan, palisin mo, bufa, stay humble.